Okay. My name's Taylor, and I am 35 weeks pregnant. I wanted to film a labor and delivery what's in my bag because I am going to be induced between 37 and 38 weeks. So I wanted to share what I'm putting in my bag. That being said, I'm bringing like a carry-on suitcase, and this is where my limit is. I have limited myself to just the carry-on suitcase. So I'm not bringing a massive one. This is all I'm bringing. I might bring like a pillow and a blanket additionally that we'll just carry. But other than that, this is kind of it. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So in the front, I have two little like memento type things for her. So we have the Eloise book that I want her to like, I want to take like a picture with her, and I want to like read to her while we're there. And then I'm also bringing her little announcement name tag, because we'll take some cute pictures. I go back and forth about taking, this is so cute. This was from Etsy, and it came really quick. I got this like a long time ago. So on the inside of my suitcase, I have like, I feel like I need to show this. Zipper pocket here, and then I have like the other side here. So on the zipper side is going to be my like labor stuff, like the stuff that I want to like labor with. I have my labor and delivery gown from Freedom Mom. This fabric is really cozy and like stretchy, and it has pockets, which I know is such a millennial like fixation, but it has pockets and I can put snacks in it if I want. It's really nice, so I can like breastfeed and they can get to anything that they need to, nurses and provider wise. And then it has the buttons in the back for an epidural, because I think I'm open to an epidural. And I have the Freedom Mom like disposable, this looks such like a square because it is, the Freedom Mom disposable underwear. I have a whole pack of those, but I thought I would labor in them in case things get a little bit messy, which I think they do. I'm pretty sure, because you lose a lot of like mucus and like blood and stuff during that process. Anyways, I also don't know if I'll use this. I will eventually, but I don't know if I'll labor in it. But I have like a nursing bra. I got like a 3-pack on Amazon, and they're okay. I will say I've been wearing them just because my chest is getting larger. I might need to add, I got a large. I'm usually like smaller up top, but I might need like an extra large, but they have extenders for the backs. And then obviously it like snaps and you can breastfeed with them and everything, but I don't know. This is just in case I feel like I want to wear something and I feel like uncomfortable without it. That's there if I want. And then I have some grippy socks. I have 2 other pairs with me in the other section of the suitcase, but this is just for the laboring part. I just wanted something pink. And I have a little, so I have packing cubes, but then I also have like these weird like reusable sandwich bags, and so but they're so cute, so I just pack different little things in it. So this is my labor sandwich bag. So in here I have some gum, because I got a big pack and I didn't want to bring them all. I have gum, I have chapstick, I have a labor comb. I only bought this because it was like $5 on Amazon, and you're supposed to like press it in when you're going through contractions. I bought a sleep mask. That's just to help with sleep. I have a hairband and I have lots more. But that's it for labor and delivery. I'll bring some slippers too, in case we have to like walk, because I know they'll do that sometimes if your medicine doesn't kind of kick in the way that it's supposed to. I'm not bringing a robe. I'm typically pretty like warm. The other thing that I have for labor is this like fan thing, and I didn't realize it was already like plugged up, so you can like hook it to the bed, and it has 3 speeds. This is amazing. And so then you can also use this on a stroller, which we will, because she's gonna probably come in July, and so we're gonna need it for like walks and things. So that's all I have for labor. So I got a beach towel. The reason that I'm dumb is because I bought it and it's like white. So this is from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, and it's like the Laura Ashley one. And obviously after you deliver a whole child, you are gonna bleed. So we're just gonna deal with that. But it's gonna be nice, it's gonna be big, and it's never been used, so it's real fluffy and soft. This is the blanket that I chose to bring to the hospital. We have, as you can see, so many blankets. We have so many blankets, and they're all just adorable. And I also brought just 2 burp cloths. I have no idea if that's what I need or not, so brought 2 of those. I just am bringing this bag, and it's obviously like empty, so that we can bring home whatever they give us, because I like free stuff and we're gonna pay for it anyways. So remember, I have the little sandwiches. So this is her little sandwich bag, and in here I have her little electric nail filer. I don't want her scratching her face. I have 2 pacifiers. Have no idea if I'll even try to do that in the hospital. And then I have a pacifier clip if that's something that she wants to do. Pacifier wipes. Again, a lot of that's probably unnecessary, and so are these. But they're so cute. These little diapers. So I just wanted to bring these. I have like 4. And then I have a little hairbrush if she has hair. I don't know if she will or not. Diaper rash, but specifically for poop that she's gonna have in the first few days. They say that whenever your baby's born, the poop comes out like tar, and it can be like kind of hard to get off. So go ahead and like put Aquaphor on your baby's bottom, and then it just kind of, it's easier to clean. Anyways, that's hers. So this is Eloise's post-birth bag. Then I have my toiletry bag, and these don't fit in it, so I have makeup wipes. This is also kind of, I just threw in the bag because while I'm laboring, if I feel gross, I'm gonna use those, because I can't stand being uncomfortable, and I'm about to be the most uncomfortable I've ever been. Anyways, so my toiletries, I went to Target to the little travel section and just spent like 20 bucks on all of this. So I have dry shampoo in case I don't want to wash my hair. I have lotion. I have deodorant. I have body wash, shampoo and conditioner, face wash, and toothbrush and a toothpaste. And that all fit in my little sandwich bag. Okay, now I'll do postpartum care, and then we'll do clothes. So my postpartum care is my biggest packing cube, because I wanted to bring, I didn't know if I should bring like all of the things that I bought or some of them, or like I don't know. I've never done this before. So I'm just bringing it all. So first things first, I had one of these in my like labor section, but I have the rest of the Freedom Mom disposable underwear. I know that they give you some at the hospital, so I might use those, I might use these. It just depends. I don't know. I would like to have an option if I don't like one of them. I have a washcloth for the shower, my Perry bottle, and I know they give you one in the hospital, but it's just like straight up, and this is the whole point, is that it's like tipped. so that you can like sit and then like go upward. Nursing pads, I have already had to use these. I wanted to get the Freedom Mom pads, but my Target never sold them. They're very expensive. And I was thinking, I was like, am I gonna buy all of this for like how often do I need to change this $10 pad? And it's like 4 times a day. Like that's not practical. So I ended up going and getting the Honey Pot herbal cooling pads. They're just like the long pads. So I have a ton of these. I have the Tux pads to like layer in the pad, and then I have the, looks like it's come out a little, but the Freedom Mom perineal foam that you like spray in the pad. And then I have Dermaplast for, you know, tears and soreness. That's just a stool softener. But anyways, this is my Haakaa. We'll figure that out. And here's the rest of my hair bands and my nipple butter. Okay, so for me, I have a few outfits, and then that's about it. So other than like the clothes, I brought a normal just pair of like very large spandexy underwear, because I don't know, maybe like when I'm going home, I'm not gonna want to be in disposable underwear. I might, I don't know, but I don't know. And then those socks, the grippy socks, came in a pack of 3, so I'm just bringing the other 2 pairs. This is my packing cube. So I got this, which is so cute, short sleeved, button up, I can nurse in it. I got it in an extra large, and then it comes with long pajama pants, but it also comes with shorts. Now, I'm not a big like shorts girly, because I don't like when my thighs like touch. Ugh, I don't. Ugh. But if I'm hot, I'm not gonna want to wear pants. So I'll have to just pick my poison with that. This is my going home outfit. It's very similar. It's what my mom bought me, which is so sweet. Again, it's an extra large, and this is Liz Claiborne, and it's just a 2-piece set. They're honestly just like pajamas. And then these are the same thing. But so probably gonna just go home in that. It's a little bit nicer and thicker quality. And they say that you should probably have something like darker to wear, because you just never know what the bleeding's gonna look like post birth. But that concludes my clothes. And last but not least, this is Miss Eloise's little baby bag that I've packed to the rim. I have these, I actually have 3 that I'm bringing, of like bows. They're very like super soft and stretchy. But this one's white, pink, and then that one's just like a ivory color. I brought a little white hat and a little pink hat. She has little socks that I'm bringing, 2 pair. But this is just from Walmart. It's the Modern Moments, and yeah, so I was thinking I would put this with the ivory headband and thought that would be cute. So brought that. This is so cute. It's like the hospital, like blue and pink. But these have the reversible hand things for mittens, and this one's closed-toed. So I was thinking with this one, I could do the pink hat, and that would be really cute, or the white hat, and that would be really cute. Little fruits, and put the pink bow with that one. I thought that'd be cute. But this is her little going home outfit, and my mom bought it for me. My mom bought most of these things, let me just say. But it's one of those little dresses, and then we'll take the pictures with like this with it. She can do the pink hat. She can do this, probably do this white bow. But it's just so sweet. It has her little name on it. I've brought 3 swaddles. They're all different, so I didn't know which one she would like. So this one's the Swaddle Me 0 to 2 months. It's just the zip in the front. I'm sure you know what a zipper looks like, but I just felt like it's so little. Like, it's so little. So this is the Disney Baby Aiden and Anais. This is the Target brand. I think it's the Target brand, but this is like the Disney princess swaddle. But anyways, it's just really cute. And then the last one is just a plain white one. Anyways, that's all for me. So, okay, bye.